6:23 a.m. February 9. I barely fell asleep after 1 a.m. and I woke up with constant engine noise in my ears. We have this constant noise for weeks now. Constant noise. Sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's higher, but we have constant noise. We sleep and we function all day in constant noise. This morning I measured in my house around 37-38 dBA in my house, and I woke up with constant engine noise in my ears. We can hear it in the house, and we live in this constant noise. I'm going now to the dBA, to the meter from Kelt, which is here. This is the meter, and I'm gonna, I don't know if I can pause. I will measure the dBA here. We live in constant noise, and we can hear in our home. We can hear it. And it's not just a slight sound in the background. It's pretty loud. I can hear it very loud. I'll stop now to measure.